Do you have some cold calling reluctance or calling reluctance in general? Have you been yelled at or cursed out on the phone? Or are you afraid of being yelled at or cursed out on a call? If you are, this is really going to help you. This is a really common fear that a lot of my students have, and they don't want to inconvenience people as a way of making a living. And I get that. But I want you to really think about this. I'm making this video right now, and if someone calls me and says, "Hey man, are you interested in selling your house?" I'm going to say, "No thanks." And they've literally taken 2 seconds of my day. It's a little bit annoying, sure, but I go about my life afterwards and I completely forget about you within 3 seconds. Anyone who's going to yell at you or they're that frustrated in life, those people have other issues going on. Maybe they got some problems at home. And really, you just gave them an opportunity. You served as a vehicle for them to get some frustration out. And then for you, the caller, you might feel bad for 2 seconds, but then it doesn't affect you in any way, shape, or form, and you move on with your life. But here's what I want you guys to remember. Somewhere out there, there's a widow who bought a house with her husband who paid off half of the mortgage before he unfortunately passed away. Now, this mother has, let's say, 2 kids, and her house is getting foreclosed on, and she has no options. If you don't try to call her, she will get kicked out of that house with 2 little kids, with nowhere to go, and she'll have a foreclosure on her credit report for the next 10 years, effectively preventing her from getting a new house or a loan, again, for like a decade. Now, let's assume you do call her, and let's assume the house is worth like $100K. You say, "Listen, you owe $50,000. I can give you $60,000. Now, is that great? But no, she's not. It's not, but she's not in a great situation. But she can take the $50K, pay the bank off. They go away. That problem goes away. And then she takes the remaining $10,000, downsizes, maybe moves into an apartment until she can find a job and kind of get back on her feet. And then at that point, she'll be eligible to get a new place and turn her life around in the very near future. That call to her would be a gift from God. And there are people like this all over that really do need your help. So look, I'm not trying to pretend that we're purely altruistic and we don't need to meet our own needs. I'm not saying that we are in this business to make money. However, when you're only thinking about how you're feeling, that's inherently selfish, like in a bad way. It's a lot easier to make excuses when you're thinking just about yourself, about your little feelings, about you not wanting to offend or you not wanting to be offended. But if you start thinking about how you can change people's lives and how you have to do this for other people and really keep in mind the service aspect of this business, it can truly help you to do the right thing for yourself and for other people. Somewhere out there right now, somebody needs you to call them, to help them. So make it something outside of yourself. Now, that's just one mindset shift I wanted to share with you, to help you if you're struggling with this. But I do have a longer video with multiple exercises and mindset shifts. And I mean, more than just mindset, I have tangible exercises and techniques that will get you ready for making those calls. Things like NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. And, if you want to check that video, here's what you do. Just comment cold call below and I will send the link for that video, or it might be in the description somewhere here. So thanks again for watching, guys. Really do. I'm really serious about that. Keep that in mind. There are people who need you to call them. And when you make it outside of yourself, it's a lot easier to do and it's a lot more rewarding. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Comment what video you want to see me do next, what topic to cover next. Do me a huge favor, like, comment, share, subscribe. Helps me out a ton, helps the channel. Love it, love to see it, love to hear from you guys. Makes me want to do a lot more videos. So thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.